Hey y'all, what it do? What it do, E Squad? What it do? This is your girl E, y'all, checking in. And I want to say welcome to the new people, to my new babes, okay, to the channel. Okay, welcome, welcome. We love you. And, come back. But yeah, welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to my baby. You guys, excuse my hair, okay? I'm home. I'm not going anywhere, so yeah. But yeah, you guys, today your girl gonna be cooking. You guys haven't seen a cooking video in so long, right? So long, you guys. But yeah, today I'm gonna be making, you know what, you guys gonna see. All right, I just wanted to come here. Oh gosh, I do not know how to tell you. No, excuse me. But yeah, your girl just wanted to come through, come in and check with y'all. I ain't even gonna say much, okay? I'm not gonna say much. You're just gonna see. I'll be back. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be cooking. And you guys, please hit the like button, post on notification bell, you guys, so every time I do post, you guys can, see. Or, YouTube be tripping sometime, you guys. So, okay, make sure you click the bell. I think the bell be red when you ain't click it yet. Please turn my bell gray, you guys. Thank you, sis. Thank you, bro. Thank you. But yeah, you guys, this meal that I'm gonna be making, oh my gosh, it's good. It's so healthy, you guys. Google juke leaf. Okay, I'll put the name down in the description box, you guys. All right. So to my new babes, welcome. Okay, and your girl gonna be doing a giveaway also. I keep mentioning it. Once I hit my 4,000 watch on, you guys, no lie, let me show you guys. I know I'm all over the place right now. I am all over the place, but you know what? I'm so sorry. Let me show you guys. Your girl have this right here. You guys forgive me, okay? I'm all over the place. This, I was thinking about giving it to y'all, but I like it. I like it so much. It's a makeup. It's makeup in there, you guys. I have. And guys, you can win all this stuff for your girlfriend, your mom, whoever. I have 2 of those. Another one. And much more. I also have my lashes. Your girl do have a lash line, right? As you can see, yeah, the lashes popping. Yeah, excuse my face, y'all. I ain't doing makeup today, but yeah, you guys. So stay tuned, you guys. I'll be back. I know you're talking too much. Oh my gosh, I am talking too much. I'm already 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, girl. Guys, I'm gonna have to make a cut, right? All right, you guys, be back. Hey guys, what it do, guys? This is your girl E checking in, y'all. All right, so today, you guys, I am making this. What is it called? I think it's called beef skirt. I don't know, you guys, but what I'm going to cook, as you can see here, I don't want to touch the meat because I already marinated and stuff, but yeah, you guys, it's looking good. It's looking cute, right? Yeah, Ian has always come through with the cooking, you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the process and stuff like that. And what I use is bitter orange, adobo, garlic pepper, fresh onion, fresh garlic, salt and pepper, you guys. And Ian has always come through with her special season. Okay, let me try to get it. I have my special season, you guys, and I use lime, lemon, vinegar, paprika, I'm trying to remember. These Goya, what is that? No, Sazon, tropical Sazon, and you know, all that good stuff, you guys. But yeah, you guys stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna be making jute leaf. Okay, if you don't know what it is, go ahead and Google it. Okay, Google jute leaf, you guys. This is what it looks like. It looks like that. Okay, but yeah, your girl will be back, you guys. Please make sure, if you are new to the channel, you guys, make sure you subscribe if you like what you see. Okay, be a part of the family, and welcome back to all my babies as always. Yes, but yeah, you guys stay tuned. Yeah, your girl ENS, nah, S not here, this is E. Okay, but your girl E will be back. All right, stay tuned, guys. Hey beauties. Hey, hey, hey. See, I'm back. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys what the meat looked like before. But I did show it on my live, you guys. If you guys go on my live when my two daughters was in it talking, you guys will see it. But yeah, it was a big chunk of beef skirt, beef, whatever it's called. But yeah, you guys, so I cut them. Let me show you. I already have one cooking. Okay, that's the other one. I marinated, so now I'm gonna put it in the freezer. All right, I just wanted to show you, babes. All right, okay. All right, guys, right now this is what I'm gonna be making. It is the jute leaves. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is take them out of the bag and clean them up, and I'm gonna show you after. There it is. That's some of them that's already cleaned. Not clean like meaning by washing, you know, just taking them off the thing. You know what I mean. But there's, you know, the jute leaf I'm showing you guys right here. Then I'm gonna be washing it. What I'm gonna be adding, you guys, is baking powder and vinegar. You see how the water is. Hope I'm saying it right. But yeah, you guys, right now it's bubble. Like, to me, I like to do that because all the dirt that's in the leaves is gonna stick at the bottom. It's gonna stay. Okay, this is the apple cider I'm using, not sponsored, you guys. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash this bad boys, get it all cleaned up. You guys gonna see the difference, you know. So that's me just throwing them in. I'm throwing the jute leaf in the water with the baking soda and vinegar. And you guys just stay tuned and continue watching, and you'll see the difference. Alright, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please share this video, share all my video actually to your friend, best friend, brother, sister, sister-in-law, mother-in-law. Guys, I'm sitting there doing this voice over clapping. Oh my gosh. But yeah, babes, go ahead and share it. Come on, let's get your girl up to, like, you know. Alright, so I'm not gonna talk. Let me just stop talking. That way you guys can watch. Alright, babes, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, we're gonna continue washing the leaves until, you know, until your liking. Like me, I like to wash it like more than 3 times due to the fact, you know, all the dirt, you know, that's in the water that was in the leaves and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, just continue watching it. You see, and I'm still not satisfied right there. I'm still gonna wash it. Okay, so yeah, you guys, look, so nasty, so nasty. That's a no boo. It's not clean. You gotta continue wash it, you know, until the water's like more proper clear, and you don't see all this disgusting little things, bugs and all that stuff in the water. And that's me here again trying to wash it, y'all. I don't play when it come down to like me cleaning my meat. And you know, you guys, of course you need a clean hand in order to cook, okay? So yeah, I was still not satisfied, you guys, so I continue wash it, get it all cleaned up. It may look clean right here to you, but not to me, boo. Okay. All right, you guys, so continue watching. I may speed up the next clip because all I'm doing is just trying to get it clean. That's all. That's it. Point blank, period. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the next clip. Alright, so see, I'm still not satisfied. Your girl still ain't satisfied. You feel me? Alright, continue watching, boo boos. Alright, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back after 2,000 years later. But yeah, this is what it looking like, you guys. Okay, right now it's cooking. I just have it on the stove and the pot in the big pot cooking with a little bit of water. And yeah, you guys, right now I'm working on cooking my rice. Yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna be making white rice, you guys, and that's the beans back there. And I made that beans from scratch, you guys. If you guys want to see a video on how I do that, let me know, comment down below, okay? And you know your girl got you, okay? Yeah, I didn't want to do the beans that's already made, you know, in the can, so I like it more fresh. All right, you guys, so continue watching. Oh, hey, yeah, you guys, here's the meat. You guys saw the meat earlier, you know, in the video. So that's what the meat looking like. Baby, look at it. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Nothing. That thing looking good, nice and crispy, baby. Yes. See that? Back to the Lalo. Okay. AKA jute leaves. Yes, boo. So yeah, you see how it just cooked down and stuff like that, you know. Now I'm adding some tomato paste, you guys. This thing, this Lalo jute leaves, it do call for tomato paste, and you can cook it to your liking. But if you want to follow my recipe, you know, just holler at your girl, hit me up, let me know. I mean, I give you guys the recipe, you guys. All right, so that's me just stirring it. Okay, this thing is so good, you guys. Please Google jute leaves. I'm gonna leave it down in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys check it out. And I have the meat in there. What I have in there, I think I have pigtails and some other type of meat. I believe it was beef also, not the one I showed you guys earlier. But yeah, I shred the meat, you guys, so it's going into the Lalo. You know, well, us Haitian call it Lalo, okay? So yeah, this is my rice, okay? And y'all be ready. I'm taking everybody a plate, okay? And that's my beans, y'all. That's my beans. Nice and it's thick. And it looks so pretty. Yes. Okay, guys. I'm just giving you guys a little closer look. You feel me? Yeah. But yeah, let me stop playing. But you guys, there's the food. You know, make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think. You feel me? Let me know. And the food was good too, you guys. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And everything I cook tastes good. Period. Everything. But look at it, you guys. Oh, I know you guys want some. Yeah, let's get closer. Get closer. Yes, boo. There we go. I know you want some. Yeah, bam. You see that? It's so nice and light. Oh my gosh. It goes down so easy in your stomach, you guys. Like you can just eat that just with just that by itself if you're trying to lose weight. I mean, shoo. Looks good. Okay, you guys. So, if you want the recipe like I said, let me know. Comment down. Give me a like. Okay, you guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. You see that? Oh my goodness. You see that? No, I don't think y'all see that. Y'all need to go put that Google glasses on. Okay. Zoom in. All right. Yeah, you guys. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Leave a big like, a big thumbs up for your girl. I am talking so low. I think I'm low. I'm not sure because the kids are asleep and I'm doing a voiceover right now. And I promised myself I was gonna put this video out, you guys. So if I sound kind of like, but forgive your girl. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't leave my channel, you guys, my new babes. Right now, just take a moment right now and go ahead and subscribe. Love y'all.